have here a Parisian Blonde. No, seriously, this is a Parisian Blonde. I am Anne, the home bartender. Hello. You already know, if you've been following my channel, that I love a good creamy cocktail, and this creamy cocktail packs a punch. It has 3 ingredients, and we just love 3 ingredient cocktails, and it's super delicious. Hang out and I'll walk you through the ingredients, and I'll show you how to make it coming up next. You will need 1 ounce of dry orange Curacao, 1 ounce of Appleton Estate Rare Rum, and we're going to make the sweet cream topping that goes into this drink today. So for that you will need 3 ounces of heavy whipping cream, a ½ ounce of Demerara simple syrup, and we're going to garnish today's cocktail with freshly grated cinnamon. First of all, we need to make the sweet cream that goes on the top of the cocktail. So 3 ounces of heavy cream here. I'm making a home bartender ratio version. If you want to double this to make more, you can. ½ ounce of Demerara simple syrup. All right, and then I'm going to use a little milk frother for this. You can use the NutriBullet or a hand mixer or whatever you want, but you just don't want this to turn to butter. You want it to have a pourable consistency, but not super thick. And now you can see that it's holding its shape really well, and it's not running off my finger. That's exactly what you want. All right, so let's mix this one now. This is super easy ratios. We're gonna have 1 ounce of dry Curacao, and then 1 ounce of the Appleton Estate Rum. And then I'm gonna get some ice in here and just stir this up. Chill it down. All right, that's good, I think. We're gonna strain it into our little cup. Then let's get 1 ounce of the cream. You don't really have to measure this, I suppose, but I'm gonna use my spoon and float this over the top of the spoon, over the back of it. Really close here. So it just makes a coating on the top of the cocktail. That's perfect. Okay, so then I'm gonna take my cinnamon stick and grate that over the top. That looks amazing. That is the Parisian Blonde. I love the layering here that this cocktail has, and my little Dorothy Thorpe roly-poly is perfect for this cocktail. The cinnamon comes first, of course. You get that right on the top. Oh my God. It's so rich and so good. Of course, you have to get through the cream on the top to start getting to the rum, but once those 2 things mix together, it is just a flavor bomb in your mouth. It's rich. And the Appleton Rare is a rich, dark rum. It's got really great depth of flavor, like molasses. It's got brown sugar notes, caramel, and vanilla. It's also kind of got an orange note there as well. That goes super well with the orange notes of the dry Curacao. Almost like a brown butter creamsicle, if you will. But it's not that sweet, and it's not that orangey. It's just a really perfectly balanced drink, but it is a dessert drink for sure. I think it's great for winter when you're looking for a creamy, comforting drink, because it's not like you want to lay by the pool and have a drink like this, but you want to hang out by the fire and just sip it. But who am I to tell you where to have your cocktail? You could totally drink this by the pool, and that's up to you. But please tell me in the comments your thoughts on what kind of rum you would maybe sub here. If you don't know what kind of rum you would put in it, then ask me what other kinds of rum that you could use in this cocktail, and I'll totally answer you. That's it for me today. Thanks for stopping by. See you next Friday, and I'll make another great cocktail with you at my home bar. Be well. Ladies love creamy cocktails.